First steps in 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is very easy to use and does not require any training. You can start using it right away. This video will explain how to quickly create projects and tasks, assign people to them, exchange comments with your team, and close tasks when they are done. To create your first project or task, use the plus button on the top of the left panel. A form will open in the right panel. Just type in the name. The rest of the fields are optional. And submit the form. You can also use the Control and Enter keyboard shortcut. Once you create the project, you can add a task to it in the same way. You can check out a more detailed video about this in the video's description. You can assign a team to a project or a task when you are creating it, or you can edit it later by selecting the project or task in the left panel and clicking the Details button on the top of the right panel. You can assign one or many people to the project and task teams. If you do not see any other people in the list, it means they have not been added to your 5 p.m. account. You can do it via the People tab. You can check out a more detailed video about this in this video's description. The task team can be the same as the project team, or it can be different. This allows for extra flexibility. You do not have to add every project team member to the task team, which is usually smaller. You can even add a new person to the task team that is not even a part of the project team, instead of adding this person to the whole project. This allows for more efficient task filtering, for example, when filtering tasks assigned to you, and more targeted email notifications. No need to bombard the whole project team about every single task. You can also visually highlight individual team members to make them stand out. This can be used to mark team leaders or the person responsible for the task. To add comments to a project or a task, select it in the left panel. You will see the comment form on the top of the right panel in the Activity tab. You can add formatting to your text, link to other 5 p.m. tasks, attach files, report progress and hours spent on this task, and send an email notification. To close a completed task, simply click the checkbox icon in the front of the task name. Or, if you want to send an email notification about it, use the task form and change its status there. This is all you need to know to start using 5 p.m. right away. You will discover other features as you go. Go ahead, give it a try, and get more done by 5 p.m.